John Deere two-piece Dana front axles, or really any, for this purpose, any brand, ZF. The labor to take this axle apart and replace a ring and pinion is going to cost you 25 hours in a dealership. It's before you buy a single part. If you're going to go through your hubs, it's going to cost you another 8 hours. Steering cylinder is going to cost you another 3 hours. Tie rods are going to cost you another 2 hours a piece. So you're up to $3,500 hours if you do a complete recondition of your axle without buying a bearing. So including the value of the labor in your repair costs is important for you to make a buying decision. So we're going to start supplying that information. Has nothing to do with keeping the dealers in check. Don't want it to be used for that at all. It's really to help us help you understand why our price on an axle is X amount. Just like if you bought all the parts for this axle, and let's just say that for round numbers that all the parts of this axle was $20,000. It doesn't mean you get an axle for 20 grand, because somebody's got to put it together. And you'd have to at least add 35 hours for it, probably more, because you'd be starting from scratch, if that makes sense. So just something to consider, something we're going to start doing, and probably slow down our pace a little bit of, instead of just throwing you out a price, you're trying to give you something we can send you an email on where you can actually look at it and help you make a buying decision for your fastest repair, lowest cost, and your all-in cost that most people don't consider.